Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa sahbihi Sayyidina Muhammad. So today I am going to share with you how to make this kind of brush in Blender using the traditional hair particle system. Okay, so I'm using Blender 4.3.2, yeah. So let's get started. Here is the material, and I'm using the comb, the curve tool lah, curve edit mode. Sorry, it's not edit mode, it's using the particle edit. Yeah. Okay, so let's start with a new file, or maybe not a new file lah, maybe I just duplicate this one. I hide this brush first, the hair. Okay, Shift D. Then this one I can maybe hide it first. Right. So for this one, it's for the tutorial. So let's delete everything. So I'm starting with you need to add a very good, maybe this much of subdivision for your hair for the source of the hair. Okay, I'm so sorry because I'm not so well right now, so but I still try to do this video because to share with you guys lah. Okay, so first of all, get this type of faces, this much of polygons first, so that the hair can what you say in English, can grow from many faces, not just like one or two. Okay, and then how to get this one? Basically, I just use this. I use this model over here. I press Shift D to duplicate. Okay, wait. First of all, I'm using the A selection, and then I press alternate left click to select everything. Select the whole right, the loop. Then press Shift D to duplicate, escape, and then I press P and separate by selection. Okay. Okay. And then I go to object mode. I select the one that I have duplicated. This one. Okay, then I go to edit mode. I select all, and then I press Ctrl F, grid fill. Okay, then you can adjust the span, or maybe not the span lah, the offset. Yeah, so it become like this. Okay, then I use the subdivision surface and I apply it. So now it have this much of polygons lah. Okay, then go to the particle system. If you guys don't have this like this brush, right, you can make it on your own lah. It's easy. Just use the circle object and then shape it like this, and then use the grid fill, and then apply the subdivision surface just like I do right now, just now lah. Okay. And then go to the hair particle, the particle system, add new, and choose hair. Okay, maybe you can increase the number to 4000. Now the hair is facing downwards because of the face orientation, I think. Let's see. So the face orientation is red on top, so we have to go to edit mode, press Shift N so that the blue is on the top, and then go to object mode again. Now the hair is facing forward. Right. So how to edit or adjust the hair to be following the reference, right? So you need the reference lah. So to add the reference, right, press add, search for image, choose reference. Okay, now we are going to choose this one for the front view lah. Okay, now the reference is there. Let's position it correctly. You can turn off the face orientation already. Okay, toggle X-ray, place it correct nicely, maybe around here, right? Yeah, just not, you don't have to be like very big tail. Just as long as it can like almost match it, then it's okay already. Right, then select the hair, go to particle edit. Okay, particle edit, and you can turn on the children also, interpolated I think. Wait, let me check. Let me check with the previous one that I do, that I did. Yeah, interpolated, and the setting is 15 and 15 and 15. So I turn this off again. Go here. Interpolated 15 and 15, like that. Okay. So now let's comb it using particle edit. So the tools that I use is comb. So you can comb it like this. Okay, try to match the shape. Okay, so the process is just like this lah. You just make it, comb it until it works. You need to understand the reference also, because the reference, if you see the reference, basically the brush is just like that, right? The fur is like from the bottom to the top, and the direction is here, like that lah. Just to the top, everything is to the top, and then from the top you can cut it out like that. Okay, so we try to replicate the real stuff lah. Okay, so coming like this. If you think the strength is too low, you can increase the strength, so that it's easier for you to control. Okay, comb it nicely. Okay, but I'm not going to put any background music, because currently I have like tons of work to do. So I just do this as long as you can understand lah. Maybe you can turn on your own music in the background, so you are not bored while watching my video. Okay, see now the direction is almost there from the front, right? So now we will cut it where we have to cut, like for example like this one, right? Cut it nicely. Okay, let's say you do like this, you can undo again. You can like click. You don't have to just hold the click. Okay, you can click and like click, not just hold the left click and brush. No, don't do that, because later if you have problems, it's hard for you to undo. Okay, so do it like this. Okay, this one. And if you do it like this, that when you are keep on clicking, right, you can get this variation effects lah. So you can puff it up. Oh no, not puff. Not add length. Which part that is too short, you can lengthen it. Like you can increase the length. Like that. Okay. Then you can use the cut again. Okay. Yeah, the brush is almost there. It's easy, right? It's not that hard. Okay, so you can smooth it out if you want. No, I think smooth is not a good idea. Puff, what about puff? Yeah, puffing is good. I think so. Okay, I think from the front is looking good already. Let's see from the side. Now we're going to object mode. Okay, see, So looking pretty good. Now let's add a reference on the side. So I'm going to duplicate this and rotate 90 degree, R90. Okay, so position it correctly, and then you can use this one, the object data properties, to change the image. Open the side view, this one. Okay, this one is a little bit tricky because you need to make sure that the front and the side is tally lah. Okay, the shape right. Okay, now let's start. Okay, as you can see now, it's already like not really that tally, so you need to resize the brush so that the side and the front is the same height. Okay, like this. At least the maximum height is the same lah. Okay, now we're going to select the the brush again. Go to particle edit and comb it outwards like that. Okay, don't worry if the hair is messed up, because later we'll cut it so that it follows the right length lah, the correct length. Okay, like this. Okay, let's see from the front. Oh, it's change to this one also. So I think you have to press the icon too, and then you open. Right. So let's comb again. Comb this part. So you'll be going back and forth. You need to be patient for this process. Okay. If not, then your brush will not looks good lah, basically. Okay. To the side, see. So the top view is the brush is already like expand. I mean spread like this, right? So it's good, looking good. So what you have to do is just you need to cut from the side. Okay, let's go to the side view and let's use the scissor to cut it out like that. Make sure you are clicking, not holding the left button, left mouse button. Okay, about this one. Okay, now let's comb again. Okay, let's cut again. Can puff it if you want, and you can also just use comb lah. It's easier. Yeah, I think it's looking good already. Almost there. Okay, you can increase the length. Wait, over here, right? Can cut it where it's too strong. Too long. Okay, done. Okay, now let's comb again. You always need to go back and forth until you get the nice shape lah. It's like you're playing with plasticine or a real brush, but you don't want to shape it right. Increase length a bit. Okay, cut a bit. Okay, so let's see the side view and the front view. Okay, side view is almost there. Okay, like that. Like that. Okay, front is good, right is good. Let's go to object mode. Yeah, looking good. But this one is like a bit jaggy, right? So it's not that nice. So maybe you can increase the length again some more, right? Okay, cut again. But make sure the cut is not that jaggy. This time you can hold your left mouse button to make it more smoother. You can combine the method some click, some hold. Okay. Okay. See from the side is good, front is good. Go to object mode. Yeah, looking better. Looking good, I think. For me, for me it looks good already. Just a little bit more over here. Maybe I want to commit a bit like that, yeah, so that it's not too stiff. Okay, more natural look. See from the side is good, front is good. Voila. So your brush is finished already. Okay, so from the top, because we have a top reference, right? So you can maybe just drag and drop or just shift A, image reference again. It's the top view. Okay, rotate 90 degree. Then scale it like this. Okay, so now we're going to go to particle edit again. I'm going to like comb it inside, inwards like that. And I think a bigger brush is better. Yeah, shape it nicely. Okay, I think that's good already. And for like this one, right? Yeah, we can do it like that. So let's go to object mode and see how it looks like. Front okay, right, yeah, right and top is not tally, so that never mind. Yeah, I think overall is looking good. Just this one okay, this one. Yeah, I think I want to follow the side view not the top one. Combination top and side. Either one is okay. Yeah, the top is not that good. think this one is better. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I think that's okay. But this one is not that good lah. Maybe you can add some length over here. What's the length? Go to back view. And then you can hide this one first. I want to add some length. Yeah, it's like suddenly there's a hole like that, right? It's not nice ah. Okay, then we cut okay lah. Yeah, I think it's okay already lah. Okay, so now let's go to the material. So we'll be going to use hair principle shader. Okay, so I'll remove this one, add new. I name it as brush 01. So delete the principle SDF, search for hair principle shader. What's the hair principle shader? Principle hair SDF, yeah, this one. Connect it properly. Let's see. See, the looks is directly nice, right? So let's start with the base color first. So this one you need to experiment lah, basically. Try and error until you get the correct color. Okay. But if you want if I use the one already done, which is this one I think. Okay, you can see how I do it here lah. See, when I apply it, automatically get the nice shape, right? Nice texture or nice color. Okay, first I'm using the simple hair SDF. I'm using Chiang and direct coloring, and this is the roughness and the radial roughness. You can see my settings over here. And this color dodge, what is it for? It is for this white spots on top. Okay, so yeah, basically this note is like have so many masks that I do, and to redo it is quite tedious lah. So maybe if you want the notes, you can ask me lah. Later I'll share with you through Google Drive. But you need to message me first. Like message me in the comment lah. Mention me on the comment that you want the file. Okay. So I think that's it from me. Thank you. Pray for my health. Bye bye.